The biggest lie you've been told about AI careers is that you need a computer science degree. That lie is costing you over $100,000 a year. Here's a question I want you to answer in the comments. Do you believe you need a formal degree to break into AI in 2026, or not? I'm going to show you 5 AI skills that pay over $100,000 a year with zero degree requirements. And I'm not talking about get-rich-quick crypto nonsense. These are real jobs that companies are desperate to fill right now. I've personally seen people transition from retail, food service, and administrative work into these roles in under 6 months. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button in the corner. It's free, takes 1 second, and you'll never miss a video. Do it now. Here's the first skill that blows most people's minds. Prompt engineering. Companies are paying between $100,000 and $200,000 for people who can talk to AI models effectively. OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google all hire for this. You don't need to code. You need to understand how language models think and how to structure prompts that produce reliable, production-quality output. A senior prompt engineer at a major tech company can clear $180,000 without writing a single line of traditional code. The entry point is shockingly low. Companies like Anthropic have hired people with backgrounds in philosophy and linguistics because those fields teach how language actually works. The standard certification path takes about 6 weeks and costs under $500. The second skill is AI automation specialist. This is the fastest growing role on the list. Companies are drowning in repetitive workflows: email sorting, data entry, report generation, and they're paying $90,000 to $150,000 for people who can connect AI tools together. Tools like N8N, Make, and custom GPT actions. The key skill here isn't coding, it's process analysis. Understanding how work flows through a business and where AI can eliminate bottlenecks. A good automation specialist at a mid-size company earns around $130,000. One specific example: a hospital system in Texas hired an automation specialist who saved them 400 staff hours per week just by automating patient intake forms. That person earns $140,000 with no college degree. Number 3 is AI content strategy. This one pays less on paper but has the lowest barrier to entry. Companies are spending millions on content, blog posts, social media, video scripts, ad copy, and they want it done faster with AI. An AI content strategist who knows how to prompt, edit, and optimize AI-generated content for SEO and conversions can command $80,000 to $130,000. The secret is that AI generates the raw material, but a human strategist's taste in editing makes it actually perform. That's what companies pay for. If you can write well and understand how search engines rank content, you can break into this role in about 8 weeks. Platforms like HubSpot and SEMrush now offer dedicated AI content certifications that take under a month to complete. If you're getting value from this, smash that subscribe button. YouTube shows my next video to subscribers first. The fourth skill might surprise you. AI data analysis. Everyone assumes data science requires a PhD in statistics. In 2026, that's completely wrong. AI tools like ChatGPT Advanced Data Analysis, Julius AI, and Google's Gemini can now handle the heavy statistical lifting. What companies actually need is someone who can ask the right questions and interpret results. Starting salary for an AI-assisted data analyst? $95,000. Senior roles push past $160,000. And the fastest path in is learning SQL basics plus AI tool proficiency. You can do that in 3 months. Companies like Shopify and Stripe have removed degree requirements from their data analyst job listings entirely for candidates who demonstrate AI tool proficiency. This is the fastest growing data role in the market right now, with job postings up over 300% from last year. The fifth skill pays the most on the list, $120,000 to over $200,000 a year. And here's the thing, product managers don't code. They define what to build, prioritize features, and coordinate between engineering and business teams. With AI products exploding across every industry, companies need product managers who understand AI capabilities enough to make good decisions about what to build. If you have any experience in project management or business analysis, you're already halfway there. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and Adobe have all publicly removed degree requirements from AI product management job listings. The typical transition from a non-technical PM role into AI product takes about 3 to 4 months of focused learning. So here's what I want you to do. Pick one of these 5 skills. Spend 30 minutes a day learning it for the next 90 days. By Halloween of this year, you could have a completely different career trajectory. And I want to know, which skill are you going after first? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe now, because tomorrow I'm covering the 5 AI tools that are secretly replacing entire departments in 2026. The subscribe button is right there, tap it. See you tomorrow. YouTube's about to recommend another video about AI careers. Watch one more before you go.